In this video, I'll show you how to restore photos from iCloud to iPhone. So if you have a bunch of photos and videos in your iCloud account and now you want to download all of them in your iPhone Photos app, here's how to do it. Go to your iPhone settings app and just tap on your Apple ID and make sure to sign in to the specific Apple account in which account you've uploaded your photos in iCloud. Okay, once you're here, just tap on iCloud, and here under save to iClouds, you'll find this photos option. So currently in my iCloud photos, I have 134 photos and videos. So just tap on photos, and now all you have to need to restore all of them in your photos app in your iPhone, just enable sync this iPhone option. Once you successfully turn on this option, your iCloud photos and videos will be started to restore in your iPhone, and it may take some time. It depends on your files you have in your iCloud photos app. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.